Hey guys, it's Katie from Yarn Society, and today we're going to learn how to make a slip stitch. So you're working, chugging along, doing your amigurumi, and now it says to slip stitch in the next stitch. What you're going to do is place your hook under both loops, unless it states otherwise, and then you're going to yarn over, pull your yarn through. You'll have 2 loops on your hook, and then you're just going to pull your hook right through that loop. And that's it. That's your slip stitch. We're going to do another one here. Go under both loops, yarn over and pull through. You'll have 2 loops on your hook and then pull right through that stitch. So a little confession here, a slip stitch is not my favorite stitch. For some reason I find it to be awkward. But it is really pretty. It leaves a nice border on your work, and sometimes it just looks really beautiful. So you have to suck it up and do the slip stitch. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel as I have more tutorials and crochet alongs coming up.